Hi everyone, this is Shauna on behalf of Grandma's Spinning Wheel with a short video to announce the arrival of something we've been waiting to show up and we're very excited about. Ashford this year put together a limited edition package called the Complete Weaving Kit. We have 6 of them available, and what's wonderful about these is that at $279 they are a $100 savings over if you bought this entire package together separately between the loom, the booklet, the yarn, everything that's included in it. This is actually a really great savings. What is included in this kit is a 16-inch samplet loom, a really nice carry bag, 2 reeds and 2 shuttles. I believe these kits normally only come with 1 of each. It comes with finishing wax to protect the wood, a really nice instruction booklet, instructions for the project included, of course. It also includes the yarn for both the warp and the weft for this project. And yeah, like I said, we have 6 available. They just came in the door. They're available here in the store, and we're open from 10 to 4 every day. Well, excuse me, the days that we're open, 10 to 4, Tuesday through Saturday, open late until 8 on Wednesdays. These are also going to be available for purchase through our website at grandmaspinningwheel.com. So if you've been looking to get into weaving, this is a really great way to start. Also, for those of you who aren't aware, we do beginning rigid heddle weaving classes right here in the shop. So you can not only purchase one of these here, but you can take a class here in the shop. There's generally a limit of 3 students per session, so lots of one-on-one attention. So if you're interested in one of these or in getting one for someone in your life, give us a call, stop in and see us, or go to our website and pick one of these up today. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.